Hi, my name is Nebifi. I'm a nurse practitioner. I started the Pharmacovigilance course in August of 2022. I wanted to have more flexibility in my job search, and I've always liked the idea of pharmacovigilance. I learned a lot in this course, such as individual parts of the workflow states, adverse drug reactions, timelines of when to complete cases, and of course the purpose of pharmacovigilance, which is to analyze the safety profile of drugs based off of cases and reports received. I really like the course because you could do it at your own pace. You can finish it faster, or you can take your time and do it at a slower pace if you like. It's very manageable, especially when you have a full-time job and other responsibilities. The teachers are very knowledgeable. The class is very laid back. They're very friendly, and they make the material very easy to understand. So I'm very excited to start the journey of pharmacovigilance.